we've marked out our back piece, we are ready to start cutting the diagonals on the top and the bottom. To do this, I'm using a bench hook or a sawn board. I'm also going to use a little bit of scrap material, a little clamping pad, and I'm going to use this as a guide to help me make sure that when I saw, I'm going to be sawing in the right place. I'm also going to hold all this using an F-clamp. Remember, using an F-clamp, we have to hold this with our thumb as we tighten. So I'm going to get this set up. Make sure it's held in nice and tight. So I can see exactly where I'm going to be sawing. Again, using my tenon saw, I'm just going to hold the brass strip at the front just to help me make sure that when I'm sawing, I'm getting this held in the right place, and then I can start sawing. Make sure your finger is pointing down in the direction of the saw. Saw through. To remove that section. This part will go into our scrap box, okay? We're going to repeat this process at the other end. So releasing. Again, using our little guide, our little bit of scrap. Make sure it's lined up perfect. And then we can saw the next section down. Again, same routine, using my hand just to pull the saw back, make sure it knows where it's starting. Okay, and again in the scrap box. Now, you'll notice that we've got a little bit of excess material here. That's absolutely fine. I know if I can go into the sander, I can sand that down, so I've got my perfect cut at both ends. Okay, so we're now ready to drill the hole at the top. We're going to use our pillar drill for this. Again, make sure safety goggles are on before you use our drill. We have got our work held secure using our F-clamp, so this isn't going to go anywhere. Remember, we have our on and off, and also we have the foot press if we need to switch our pillar drill off using that method. The depth had been set, so we're going to go down as far as the handle will let us. So we're simply going to switch on and drill down nice and slow and steady. Do not drill too fast. And that's our hole done.